Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the 6th exercise of chapter 8. This is the average number of words program. For this program, text.txt file is given. The text that is in the file is stored as one sentence per line. This program will read the file contents and calculate the average number of words per sentence. Let's write the program. This is the text.txt file containing text data, and each line is consisting of single sentence. Here we will write the code for this program. First of all, open the file and read its content. So create a variable file and set this equal open. Give the name of the file text.txt and mode in which you want to open the file. After this, read the all lines from the file in a list. So create a list lines and set this equal file dot read line. Now the lines from the file will be stored in the lines list as items of the list. Now initialize variables for total sentences and total words. So create a variable total sentences and set this equal length of lines. As each line in the file consists of single sentence, so the total sentences are equal to the length of lines. Create a variable total words and set this equal 0. This will store the total words. Now iterate through each line and count the words. Use the for loop for line in lines and at each iteration split the line into words using white spaces as the delimiter. Words is equal to line dot split. This line of code mean we created a list words and set this equal line dot split. Each word in the line will be stored in the words list and at each iteration update the total number of words. So set total words plus equal length of word. It means that total words will be updated with the addition of length of words in each line. are in each sentence. Now calculate the average number of words per sentence. Create a variable average words per sentence and set this equal total words divided by total sentences. Simply the average formula. After this, display the result. Print average words per sentence or value stored in the average words per sentence variable. Now run the program. Average words per sentence are 26. It displays the output.